Today we're going to look at improving your safety score if you've been lucky enough to join the Beta Full Self-Driving. And we're going to look at it right now.
Mal's back talking Tesla. To see the enhancements made to my Tesla and how to update yours, please subscribe to the channel and you can message me with suggestions or for help.
Hi everyone, if it's your first time, nice to have you join us. Well, you're at the right place. We're going to help you to try and improve those scores that you've been getting. That are pretty atrocious from what I can see. The good news is up to 80%, if you get 80% and higher, you will be able to use the beta program. 99 to 100 is obviously top score. So Elon is going to release the new software on Friday, and those that have got scores of 100% will get the beta first, and the others will have to wait a bit longer. He's going to do 1,000 a day. That's going to be a lot of people going to be getting it. So let's have a look at how I can help you improve those scores, because quite honestly guys, from what I'm seeing, they're pretty poor, and it's not your fault. And another thing is, why do you want to do this? Well, I tell you what, it's good value, isn't it? You're getting a 10,000, soon to go up to 14,000 free full self-driving facility beta for zilch, nothing. How good is that? Fantastic, right? So it's only fair that we look at, now you've been honored to get it, it's only looking how you can keep those scores high. Well, they judge you on 5 things, and we're going to go through all of those and try and improve them for you, because obviously one little ding and you're dropped down. And stay to the end, because I've got my tip of the day, and we're going to look at the safety simulator. So we'll catch that one on the end, but here we go. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take it out for a drive, and you're judged on everything you do. So you will be judged on forward collision. So if you're going to brake hard and the car is going to get one of the little red screens, so let's simulate it for you. I'm going to let this out. Now he pulled in front of me, so that's no good. Let's have a look at this. Okay, so let's pull up really close to the car in front, and now it judges you on your braking ability as well, and how close you're following a vehicle. So if you're following it too close and it brakes and you're going to hit the car, you will get dinged, obviously, in more ways than one. You do not want to be doing that. But let's see if we can get this to stop somewhere, and then we'll see if we can get this to show us current light. So let's take it a bit faster than we should. It knows I'm going too fast now, and it should warn me very shortly now that I'm likely to go in to give it a whack. Okay, you see that red? That's it. Game over. Now the problem is, once you get one of those, it ruins the whole of your score. Do not carry on driving miles and miles to try and get it better. It'd be better to stop that one and redo another one, another drive. Because if you carry on the drive that, you could do 200-300 miles, and that score's really done you in badly. So let's have a look at what we should be doing for the settings to driving. Right, so what you want to look at, acceleration would be good for you to put it on chill, because then it will actually be better for you to drive on chill. You won't be doing fast acceleration, which will be one of the key factors for them to actually cause you a ding. So let's leave that on that. Now if you can see it won't light up at the moment because I'm on at the moment, so let's turn the car off. Okay, now you can adjust it. So at the moment, steering is on standard, my regeneration is on standard, stopping mode, I'm on hold. So what that will do is it won't creep, it won't roll. It's right out. Maximum range by extending regenerative braking to the lower speeds and automatically blends in brakes to hold the vehicle to a stop. So that's what you want to be on, hold. That will be your biggest saviour, because that will do your work for you without you braking and getting dinged. And that is going to make your life so much easier. Carefully. But I'm still watching my cues. He decides to cut everybody up and go that way, but we're going this way. Now this is what they mean by safe distancing. Okay, you're coming up to an area and there's all cars slowing down. So if you let your foot off the accelerator now, it's slowing me down without me touching the brake. If I let my foot right off the accelerator now, so it's not even, it's just covering the accelerator, look, I'm just slowed right up. And I haven't had to touch the brake pedal once.
It's the tip of the day.
Let's take a look at the Score Safety Simulator and see what we can do with it. Okay, let's have some fun. By adding values in, let's have maximum value of forward collision warning, and it takes the score down to 51. So it's quite high, half your back score gone. Hard braking, we'll add that a maximum value, and look what that does, 78. I'm going to go to aggressive turning now and see what we do by adding maximum value of that of 17.1, and if we look at what it gives us, 94. So that's not so bad, we lose 6 points. If we go to unsafe following and type in 60 there, what we get is 99. We only lose 1 point now. And the last one, forced autopilot disengagement, there's only one you can lose, you lose 5 points. So all in all, forward collision and hard braking are the ones that will really affect your score. So one pedal driving is the answer. Because it'll absolutely be the one thing that really improves your score for braking, as braking is the one that easily pulls you down and penalises you. So let me know if this has helped you get your scores up, and let me know what your score was before and how it's improved it. But with the simulator, that's going to help you, because you can make scenarios up now, what I need to do to get the thing. And the biggest key of all is don't continue the drive if you've had a bad result. Stop that drive, restart a new drive, get that up, and then when you got that score up to a higher score, continue the drive. That way you could go on and it's going to go for a good one. And if you've done a good score that day, then just take it as a good score that day. Don't bother doing that, because you remember you've got 7 days of this to do. I know it's painful, isn't it? You know, it's a real challenge. It is. Tesla's put down the gauntlet. It's told you that this is what they expect, to give you the software free to use and test it. Well, I hope this has been so helpful to you that you can do something good with it, and thank you so much for watching and listening. Don't forget, competition at the end tells you what you need to do to get into my competition. We'll be drawing some prizes up soon, and you need to get into that to actually be eligible. And I'll look forward to seeing you in the next one. So have a great day, whatever you're doing. Hope it's a good one for you, and I'll look forward to seeing you then. Until then, I'll be seeing you.
Thanks for watching, and do tell us in the comments section that you subscribed, and we can then contact you if you're the winner when the prize is drawn. Oops.
Okay, let's do a nice turn of 360 degrees. 180. Oh, looks like I've got a moustache. No, it's the extra lighting. Right, here we go. So I'm going to turn it round. It's a very narrow turning. I'm going to see if we can do a complete turn without hitting the curb. How good was that? Oh, it's so much fun. The sun is so bright. My goodness me.